So bro, check this out. So this is the whatever the trade management tool, like dashboard type shit. So like if you see here, it has like a stop loss and take profit. But if I enter a trade, let's do times three. If I go like that, it'll enter me in a lot, and then it will place the stop loss and take profit type shit.
Oh.
So like even if you were to trade from your phone, but if you had this running in the background, this
Hmm.
shit would, you know, see the trade and then add the stop loss and take profit type shit.
So how is that calculated? Is it like could I set it to where it's like taking
Yeah. So
1 to 5 RRs every trade type shit?
you said what?
I mean, could I set it to where it's like my risk to reward is always like 1 to 5s? Like
Yeah,
I at
yeah,
least
exactly.
want
Let me
one to
show you.
five
This
from
shit
this
is
trade.
this shit is clutch. All right. So on the chart trader entry, you can put the volume size there, and
Okay.
then the chart trader entry times two. If you put the volume size here and you click on the times two, it'll enter that trade times two. So it says one lot, but it'll be two lots. Times multiplied by t, that'll be up to four lots. So if whatever size you put, if you're trading on here, it'll there's a multiplier on the dash right there, and then
That's smooth.
when you enter a trade, you can set the stop loss there. So each trade is gonna have a 10 pip stop loss, I
Okay.
mean 100, whatever pip stop loss, and then for the risk to reward, what you would do is the new long or the long risk to reward take profit percent. So right now I just put some random shit. It's at 800% of the stop loss. So on a 10 pip stop loss, it's putting an 80 pip take profit. But if I go, like you said, 1 to 5, I just put
Hmm.
500% of the stop loss type
Five
shit.
hundred percent. Okay.
Yeah. So that's
I see that.
5% of whatever the stop loss is. And then
Okay.
same thing for the short side. You would do whatever you stop
Same
loss.
thing. That's smooth. That's smooth.
And then short, what is this? ITM?
Hmm.
What's ITM? Let me think real quick. Uh,
So would you use this with the UPS system?
well, hold on, bro. This is a separate. This is just a trade management tool. Um,
Right.
oh, and then this has close all equity protector. So if the over account balance equity goes below a certain amount, it'll close all the trades. If you reach your daily target, for example, whatever you set it at, it'll close all the trades as well. Type shit. Like if you
Okay.
um,
That's smooth.
And then there's also the trailing stop loss feature here, where it can trail by moving average at whatever one that you want it to trail to, um, or it can trail by a trend line. So you can literally draw a trend line on the chart, name the
Mhm.
trend line, whatever you have, you put the name in here, and then fucking
Okay.
it'll trail the shit. So like if I draw a trend line, let's go like that.
Oh, it'll trail it below it.
It'll trail,
Oh,
yeah,
that's
on the current candle. So uh
boy. I tell you what. I tell you what. Yeah, I'm gonna need that.
uh it's not,
I
it
need
has
that.
to be the exact name. Trend line. See how those stop losses move?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Oh
so
yeah.
it's
See that?
trailing on the current candle.
Damn, that's dope. It's
And then
fuck.
I can close partials if I wanted to, by and then It'll close partials every 30 minutes. The frequency, I had to kind of put that filter, but I can close that by percent. So uh, long partial close, 33% of the trade. That's type shit. Um, oh, you know what? I actually have it to autom. Oh, that's what I'm sorry. I have it. This is in the money, pips away. So this will close partials when the trade is in the money a certain amount automatically.
Okay.
So this is like if the trade is in the money at least 30 pips, uh, it will close. It will start closing partials.
Could you
And
do it by percentage
it
instead
is.
of like balance or
It
equity?
it is by percentage.
Oh,
Wait,
smooth,
wait. Do
smooth.
I do what by percentage? The lot sizing?
Nah, the like getting it to take partials.
Yeah. So
Like
yeah.
let's say I do a 1 to 5, it go up 3%. Go ahead and take two off, type of deal. 2% off, and then trail the rest.
Um, like the trade increases by two
Because
percent.
because the thing is with pip values and trailing your stock with pips versus trailing it by percentage. Um, you know, 2 or 3% can come in 60 pips. You know, that can be in 10 pips. That can be in 20 pips. So um, it just all depends on the risk to reward. So I'm saying it like as if my
So
trade goes into profit 5%, I need to take two off top. Like I need the risk management tool to take that 2%. Now that can
so
be
if you
over 30 pips.
yeah, so I this does require a little bit of pre-calculation
Okay.
of what you're doing. So like if you know your account size is, let's just say, 100K, and you made 5% on one trade, it's 5 grand, right? So like whatever lot size that you did to make 5 grand in 30 pips or 20 pips, like you're taking that lot size. So like you could so like if you took, let's just say, like 10 lots,
Hmm.
right? And what is that, $100 a pip? So you're up 50 pips. You're up 5 grand, right? So you're up 50 pips, okay? And then this could be when you're up 50 pips away, close, you know, 20% or
Okay.
25% of it type shit,
25%. Okay.
right?
Ah,
So
yeah,
I'm,
that's smooth.
or whatever. So it does take some. So that's why it's a trade management tool. It's like if you have a game plan or a trading system, which usually you pre-calculate your trading plan or whatever. You're not just, oh, I'm going to randomly choose to take partials here. No, it should already be a part of your plan to take partials. If it's not part of your plan, you don't take partials. But if you do, and you have a formula to where you take partials, that's where you go to. Okay, what lot size am I going to be trading? Because You don't want to be switching up your lot sizing too much and stuff. So that's why this is good for people who have a system to where all you got to do is put the formula of your trading system into here, pre-calculated, and you can make it. You can make a set file for each trade system that you have, right? By saving the settings, or for each pair, type shit,
Right.
and then uh,
Okay.
and then it'd be easier to where that way you're not constantly going back into here. No, you just make a set file for each system that you have where you want to take partials and shit like that, and then it goes. Or if you're like scalper type shit, like you just go here, close partials, and then click on that, and it should close partials.
That's smooth too. Scalping wise, yeah,
Yeah.
that's smart. I
So
like that.
so this, bro, that shit is so fucking clutch, bro. Let me see. Uh, the buttons and shit, close all, close partials. So I
Yeah,
entered the
I
trade, and
definitely need that.
they closed partials. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just close all.
Close off. Okay.
Well, yeah, close.